Hello, everybody, and welcome to Success Stories. My name is Piero, and today we have a very special guest. He is one of the most famous singers in the world and has inspired millions of people with his music. Please welcome Luis.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for inviting me to your programs. I'm very happy and excited to be here today.
First of all, congratulations on your successful career. You have already won many international awards and performed in different countries. How do you feel about your achievements?
Thank you, Piero. I feel very proud because I have worked hard for many years to achieve my dreams. In addition, my family and my fans have always supported me during my career.
That's amazing. Have you ever performed in other countries?
Yes, I had performed in the United States, Spain, Brazil, and Mexico. However, I haven't performed in Japan, and I would love to visit that country in the future.
Interesting. How long have you been a professional singer?
I had a professional singer for years. I started my music career in 2018 when I released my first song online. Fortunately, many people like my career grew very quickly.
That sounds incredible. What was the biggest life-changing event in your career?
The biggest life-changing event was when I won my first international music award. After that moment, many people started to recognize my work and follow me in social media. On the other hand, becoming famous has also been stressful sometimes because I don't have much privacy now.
I understand. Fame can completely change a person's life. Have you already collaborated with famous artists?
Yes, I have already collaborated with several international singers and producers. Those experiences have helped me improve my music style and become more creative.
Excellent. What achievements are you most proud of?
I am most proud unique to international awards and creating my own music company. In addition, I have helped young musicians start their careers because I want to support new talents.
That very inspiring. Have you done any charity work during your career?
I have participated in charity contests since 2021 and I have donated money to children's hospital and education programs. Helping other people is very important to me.
That's wonderful. Is there something you haven't accomplished yet?
I haven't acted in a Hollywood movie in my book is one of my biggest dreams. I also want to create a music school for talented young people in the future.
Those are excellent goals. Finally, what advice would you have to young people who want to become famous singers?
I want them to never give up on their dreams. Success does not right immediately, so people need to work hard, practice every day, and believe in the sense. Important. simplicity also necessary for success.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience and achievements with us today. It has been a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you, Piero. I really enjoyed this interview. I hope to come back again someday.
And thank you everybody for watching Success Stories. We hope you enjoyed today's interview. See you next time.
Thank you.